Hello, I'm Joe Skorupa, Group Editor-in-Chief of RIS News, and I'm here today at the 2011 NRF Big Show. I'm with Michael Griffiths, who's here from Microsoft. He's actually the Global Retail Product Director, and we're going to be talking about big trends that are ahead in 2011. Michael, looking ahead into 2011, we know that consumers are more empowered than ever before. What other trends are you seeing out there?
Well, I think what we're seeing today is really customers who have unprecedented choice in terms of the channels that they can gain information. Often they'll walk into a retail location knowing more about the retailer than the associates in the store. Whether it's online media or mobile phones, the ability of a customer to cross-shop the competition down the street, retailers are having to deal now with a more educated, more informed consumer, and that's caused them to have to be much more agile in the way that they address customers, drive customer loyalty, and try to be competitive in what is a very challenging marketplace.
Well, Michael, you spoke about consumer trends. How are retailers responding to that with technology?
Well, as customers are expecting more of retailers in turn are expecting much more out of the solutions that they now deploy in their locations. I think before there was a focus maybe on the features, the functionality, but now retailers are interested in how they can make their people more productive. They're interested in how they can gain better levels of productivity. So solutions have to do more these days than ever before. To do that, you need to have an integrated experience. You need to have visibility across the entire company, from the store where the transactions are captured, through your headquarters, your supply chain, all the way to your financials. And so having an integration of all these components is critical. So, something that Microsoft is doing with Microsoft Dynamics AX for Retail is really delivering this integrated, connected solution out of the box. And what it does, it gives the retailer an agility and an ability to see what's happening in real time across their entire organization, whether it be loyalty transactions, customer data that's captured. This allows them to react more quickly and in many cases be proactive, and that helps build customer loyalty. That helps them to react to a very competitive marketplace in a way that they probably couldn't before. So that's the focus of Microsoft, is really a unique value proposition for IT.
Michael, you spoke about consumer trends and how retailers are responding with technology. Can you give me some specific examples?
Well, over the last 6 months, 6 to 12 months, we've seen great adoption in the marketplace of the Microsoft Dynamics AX for Retail solution for some of the reasons I mentioned. One example is China Horizon, a great organization that's bringing retail to rural China, growing at a very rapid pace, eventually in the thousands of stores. Their focus is a solution that will scale, but that's also very intuitive, easy to use. Many of these employees that work for them have never seen a calculator before, let alone a point-of-sale system. And what they're finding is the familiar Microsoft interface, the thought that we've put into lowering training times, being more intuitive in terms of how the solution works, has really been effective for them. Also, just from an integration perspective, as I said, with that type of rapid growth, you need to be able to see what's happening across the entire organization in real time. And so they've really bought into that integrated, out-of-the-box platform. I'd say another example is J&R Electronics, an icon here in New York City, very successful retailer, but they had a lot of separate systems, and they're going to leverage Dynamics AX for Retail to help enhance the customer loyalty which they've built over the years, again by going to a single platform, lowering total cost of ownership, and allowing them to be much more agile as they move into the future.
Thanks for your time today here at the show, Michael. Great insights, and I know we're all looking forward to 2011, those benefits you talked about.